Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss with Indian Penal Code. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with the section 373 of IPC and section 374 of IPC in this class. Okay. Now okay. Can I proceed? Yeah. So now we discuss with section 373 of IPC. It explains about buying minor for purpose of prostitution. Buying minor for the purpose of prostitution, etc. Okay. So, and also the act explains about whoever buys, hires or otherwise obtain possession of any person under the age of 18 years with the intent that such person shall at any age be employed or used for the purpose of prostitution or illicit intercourse with any person or for any unlawful and immoral purpose, or knowing it to be likely that such person will at any age be employed or used for any such purpose, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable with the fine. Okay. Here, as per the section explanation 1, any prostitution or any person keeping or managing a brothel who buys, hires or otherwise obtains possession of a female under the age of 18 years shall, until the contrary is proved, be presumed to have obtained possession of such a female with the intent that she shall be used for the purpose of prostitution. And explanation 2 explain about illicit intercourse has the same meaning in section 372 of IPC. We discussed earlier classes, okay, earlier online class. Here this section that means section 373 and section 372 of IPC co-jointly punish both the giver as well as the receiver of a person under the age of 18 years for an immoral purpose. Both the sections related to the same subject matter. The former contemplates an offence committed by the person who sells or lets to hire or otherwise dispose of any person under the age of 18 years with request, intent or knowledge. The later one, that means section 372 of IPC, to the case of a person who buys, hires or otherwise obtain possession of any person under the age of 18. Here the first section strikes at any bargain of the nature contemplated by it, whoever may be the party who sells or lets the person, even though it should be the father or mother or lawful guardian. That means the first one is section 372 of IPC explained. Here the second one, that is section 372 of IPC, here strikes at the bards, BAWDS, bards, keepers of brothels and all others who fatten on the profits arising from the general prostitution of girls. Okay, based on this section we need ingredients. Okay, requires of ingredients as per the section. Number 1 is buying, hiring or otherwise obtaining possession of a person. This is first ingredient of this section. The second ingredient of the section, the person should be under the age of 18 years. Okay, now it's clear. And third ingredient of this section 373 of IPC, the buying, hiring or otherwise obtaining possession must be with intent or knowledge of likelihood that the person shall at any age be employed or used for prostitution, illicit intercourse, any lawful and immoral purposes. Okay. Okay, students. And also that's all. Section 373 explained. I'll go to another section. Section 374. Section 374 of IPC explain about unlawful compulsory labor. Unlawful compulsory labor. Okay. Section 374 explain about this act. Whoever unlawfully compels any person to labor against the will of that person, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend it to 1 year or with fine or both. Okay. This section intended to put a stop to practice of forced labor. So based on this section, the requirement of ingredients is number 1, unlawful compulsion of any person. Number 2, the unlawful compulsion must be to labor against the will of that person. And also the section is aimed at abuse arising from forced labor which riots, R-Y-O-T-S, riots, were in former times compelled to render to great landlords. Okay, where the accused induced the complaints who he alleged were indebted to him in various sums of money to consent to live on his premises and to work off their debts, and the complainants were to and did in fact receive no pay but were fed by the accused as his servants, and he insisted on their working for him. Okay, and punished them by beating them if they did not do so. It was held that he was not guilty under this section, though his act came within section 352 of IPC also. So imposition of hard labor on persons undergoing imprisonment is legal. They can be compelled to do hard labor. Okay, so this is what this section was enacted. Section 374, unlawful compulsory labor. Okay, the punishment is only 1 year. Okay, students, now this topic is over. Okay, what is this topic? Section 374. Okay, students, we'll meet you again next video classes. Okay, bye, thank you.